Welcome to the Yes Talks. This is Anand Chauhan. Today I will tell you how to crack group discussion. Well, group discussion is an integral part of the selection process, which simply means discussion among the group of people. Generally in a ZD, 8 to 10 members discuss a topic for 20 to 30 minutes and a selection panel observes the proceedings and evaluate the candidate. Now I will tell you the purpose of the GD. The purpose of the GD is to assess the candidates' communication skills, leadership skills, group behavioral skills, reasoning skills, and ability to work in a team. The panel also observes the candidates' personality traits to match with their working environment. Now I will tell you how to handle GD. To handle GD successfully, initiate the GD. Maintain eye-to-eye contact with everyone. Talk point to point with relevant facts, figures, and examples. Allow others to speak. Be polite and confident. And remember, preparedness is the key to success in the GD. Now I will tell you some key points and sentences that you may use in the group discussion. Point number 1. Initiation. While initiating the GD, start with this sentence. Taking initiative on this topic, I would like to say that. Second, agreeing. Whenever you are agreeing with somebody, start with this sentence. I completely agree with my former speaker and I also believe that. Third, disagreeing. Whenever you are disagreeing with somebody, start with this line. I partially disagree with my former speaker and I would like to say that. Fourth, interruption. When somebody is speaking too much and beating about the bush, you must interrupt by using these sentences. Sorry to interrupt or sorry to intervene. Fifth, adding points. Whenever you want to add points, you may use this sentence. Well, I would like to add few more points. Sixth, allowing others to speak. Whenever you want to allow others to speak, use this sentence. Well, I think we should allow others to speak. Seventh, concluding. So while you are concluding, you may use these sentences. So to conclude, or in nutshell, I would like to say that. At the end, I would like to tell you the benefits of group discussion. Benefits of group discussions are immense. It empowers your communication skills. It enhances your knowledge on different subjects. It boosts up your confidence. And above all, it enhances your chances of selection in multinational companies. Well, that's all about group discussion. I hope you liked it. Subscribe Yes Talks India channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.